Programming a pattern combination. The patterns in the decorative stitch category and monograms can be programmed to make a pattern combination. For example, press the Decorative and Quilting Stitches category and press Kids, K, Group. Press the Program key so you can program the pattern combination. Select a heart pattern in horizontal orientation. Press the Monogramming tab and press Broadway. Select uppercase letter A. Select uppercase letter B. Press the Decorative and Quilting Stitches category and press Kids, K, Group. Press the Mirror Image key. Select a heart pattern in horizontal orientation. Select the Lock Stitch key. By inserting the lock stitch at the end of the pattern combination, the machine will sew the pattern combination, lock off the stitches at the end and then stop automatically. Start the machine. Press the thread cutter button and the machine will trim the threads.